And my friend that is working um, in the hospital, she has graduated as kinesiologist and studied with Hector Tajer, other friend. And when my mother was thrown in the airplane, her shoulder was damaged. And I met with my friend. Explain the table. And she explained that the pain of the shoulder of my mother was a reaction that the body to make a defense create that pain. I don't know what it was, a psychological pain or it was an invented pain. But the certain is that my mother is old, is really very old. And sometimes she is afraid of having the things all against her, to do many work, much work. And then I noticed that my friend was very kind when talking to my mother, and used a voice, a special calm voice, and had many careful of the spirit that was around me. And then I realized that I was misunderstanding what was euthanasia, because I was believing that euthanasia was something about the voice, the tone of the voice, the voices of the speech when we talk in a very high level. It disturbs ancient persons. And then I was thinking that the work that she was teaching in the hospital, besides the kinesiology, was something about the way that of energy. Because my daughter explained me that the dogs, like our dog, get very nervous with our thoughts, especially with my thoughts. And then she demonstrated me that if we speak in a special tone, then the dog is quite quiet. And was chronologic simultaneous with my meeting with my friend, and that she told me about the euthanasia. Then I made a mix of the old things and was thinking that euthanasia was about to be calm. But in the Mother's Day, I realized that the real euthanasia was about the muscles of the myograph activities. And then I remember that, yes, that my friend explained me well that it was the muscles, the contractions of the tensions and the different strengths of force that the body and the brain sometimes sends message to the muscles, and that the euthanasia was to make an equilibrium or a special of balance in the tone, in the or in the tone of the muscles. But now I'm concluding that the two things are real, because sometimes we get programming with the voice. If we shout or are perplexed, it seems that, for instance, the rain, or if we have the will of making something, is to correct the force that the central nervous system sends to the